I like to show you how to practice some Qigong in the nature. Many people is wondering if they can actually take some energy from good, strong trees, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, okay, so you can stand closer to the trees like that, find a spot comfortable. Now, and then you can close your eyes. You can put your tongue on top of the palate, When your tongue is on top of the palate, the circulation from the back of the body connects with the front of the body. So it's important when you do Qigong to have the tongue on top of the palate. So you can put the hand, first you can feel the energy of the tree. So if you're sensitive, you might feel something. Could be like a little bit magnetic feeling. Could be just some kind of vibration coming from the trees. So before we start, we're going to relax each part of our body first. So we'll song a few times. Head relax. Breathe in. Song. Neck relax. Breathe in. Song. Shoulders relax. Breathe in. Song. Chest relax. Breathe in. Song. Abdomen relax. Breathe in. Song. The whole back relax. Breathe in. Song. Arms, hands, fingers relax. Breathe in. Song. Leg, feet, toes relax. Breathe in. Song. The whole body, head to toes relax. Breathe in. Song. Bring the hand up and bring your hand to feel the energy of the tree. You can gently open your leg and you can turn your toe in a little bit. It's nice. And make sure you stay very stable. Bounce your feet. So feel the Qi energy. And you relax yourself at the same time. Breathing in, just breathing out. Nose breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Now feel the energy of the tree come to you. Think about it's a great, powerful energy coming to you. It balances you too. So let the energy come to you and take it in. So you breathe in, let the energy come to your body, and then breathe out, you relax your body, and let all the negative energy go down your body to the feet and leave you. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. The way you think is like the energy is here, then you think it actually come to you. Yeah, they come to you, right? They come to you. They come to you and then clean you up, and all the negative energy just go to the feet and leave you. It's like this. And then it just leave. It's come in like this. So you don't have to move your hand, but you think. The energy just come in and they go down and clean your body just like this. Okay. So when you finish, it could be a 5-minute practice, then you will bring the energy and put it back to your body. Put everything back in your body, and then you relax your body a few times. Breathe in, Song. Breathe in, Song. Breathe in, Song. Thank you. One more thing. I recommend you to practice in the morning, even before the sunrise, and you can practice this with your lovely tree you like. But it's not nice to practice in the evening. Okay? Thank you.